gas or die or do something stupid. You know? I'm lucky. I'm hard of hearing, so all my cars, I just turn my hearing off when I drive them, and it's great.
You don't hear any
I have
of
to hear all the noises.
I don't know, it sounds pretty good.
Does it sound good to you?
Yeah, it does.
Well, that's part of it. I like to share it.
Well, that has a lot to do with why you take it to the concourse too. It's
Yeah.
the, you know, the interaction with all the people.
Yeah. Yeah, I know a lot of people now because of being social director of the Ferrari Club, so they know me, and so that's nice. It's a community, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But, I don't know. This is something about this car that's unique.
I get it. How long have you had it?
I don't know, a year and a half, something like that.
Oh, not too long yet.
Yeah.
All the little details like that.
Well, I can't hear a radio anyway. So
Yeah, who needs a radio? When
well, you know, and if you don't get a period correct radio in it, it came with a, you know, the typical Panasonic that everybody's got.
Yeah.
And it doesn't sound good anyway, so I just go, okay, I'm getting rid of it. So
Beautiful.
all this. Hi, I'm Dennis Floyd, live in Scottsdale for 1958, and so we've gone from a little burg to quite a metropolis. I'm a car guy, started out with Corvettes, and in the early 2000s got into Ferraris, and then matured to a Jaguar here recently. So I love all cars, I love car people, it's a big part of my life, and Concourso in the Hills is also a big part of my life. Peter's a great friend, known him for 8-10 years. Okay. It's important to me. I've been going to Concourso in the Hills since 16. I helped out parking cars, doing different things like that. It's a great organization. Peter has really stepped up to the bat, I feel, and so any little bit I can do to help Concourso in the Hills and the Phoenix Children's Hospital, I think is right on. Both are great organizations, and I think we're going to have the best show ever. When I first started, there was maybe 500 or 600 cars, and we made 150,000. Now we're $450,000, and it's just fantastic. You know, 1,200 cars. So please come out, support us, have a great day with your family, and you won't regret it. Thanks.